How to pay with PayPal on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on one to step. If you also want to use your PayPal account to purchase products on Amazon, let me show you the process. As you can see, this is an article by PayPal themselves, and the question is, how do I make a payment with PayPal on Amazon? And it says, while Amazon does not directly accept PayPal as a payment method, you can use PayPal debit card or PayPal business debit card to make payments on its platform. So as you would normally see on other websites, you would see PayPal as an option, but Amazon does not straight have a PayPal option. But however, if you have a debit card of PayPal, you can use that card to make the payment. Whenever you make any purchase on Amazon, you just click on buy here and you can see the payment method that you can use. Here are some of the payment methods, but as you can see, there is no option of PayPal. So in this case, what you can only do is if you have an PayPal debit card or a MasterCard of PayPal business, you can click on add credit or debit card and you can fill in these details. Amazon does accept the debit card of PayPal, so you can type it in and click on add your card. That's the only thing that you can do, and you cannot pay straight away using PayPal, as it says right here. So that's the process of paying on Amazon with PayPal. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.